Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate account management with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin automating account management in Salesforce, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type Process Builder and select it from the drop-down. Click on the New button to create a new process. Give your process a descriptive name, such as Account Management Automation. Choose a record changes as the process trigger and click Save. Select the object you want to work with, in this, Add Criteria by clicking on Add Criteria and set conditions based on your needs. Once the criteria are established, click on Add Action to define what should happen next. Select Update Records to modify fields in the account record. Choose the specific account record to be updated, usually the account record that started your process. Set the field values you wish to change, such as status or owner, according to your automation goals. After specifying the updates, click Save to store your action. Optionally, add more actions for additional functionality, such as sending email notifications or creating tasks. Review your process to ensure all criteria and actions align with your objectives. Once satisfied, activate the process by clicking the Activate button. Test the process using a test account to ensure it operates as expected. Monitor the process by reviewing logs and making adjustments if necessary. This completes your automation setup for account management in Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.